Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove a register Bluetooth device from your Toyota CHR 2023. So on your entertainment unit, tap on phone and then tap on remove, and then select a device that you want to remove and then tap on yes, and this will remove a device, a connected device from your Toyota car. And that's it, quite straightforward. And now you can tap on the back key to go back. And if you want to remove any other devices, you can do so by continue tapping on that, and by tapping on remove button and then select and then tap on yes to remove the device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.